I bet you didn't know how simple and satisfying it is to make authentic Italian pasta at home. There's something truly magical about it. It's not just food, it's an experience, a journey through time and culture. Each bite tells a story of tradition, passion, and love for simple yet exquisite flavors. It's about simplicity, fresh ingredients, and time-honored traditions. The essence of Italian pasta lies in its ingredients. The freshest tomatoes, aromatic basil, and pungent garlic, all coming together to create a symphony of flavors. Imagine strolling through an Italian market, the vibrant colors and intoxicating scents inviting you to explore and taste. A steaming bowl of pasta, perfectly cooked, sauce clinging just so, is pure comfort. The al dente texture, the way the sauce envelops each strand, it's a dance of flavors and textures that brings warmth and joy. It's a dish that can be both humble and sophisticated, a true testament to the versatility of Italian cuisine. It's about family and friends gathered around a table, sharing stories and laughter. The communal aspect of Italian dining is as important as the food itself. It's about creating memories, celebrating life, and enjoying the company of loved ones. The laughter, the clinking of glasses, the shared moments, all centered around a delicious meal. The beauty of Italian cooking lies in its ability to transport you to sun-drenched Italian kitchens. Picture an Italian grandmother or nonna lovingly preparing a meal in a rustic kitchen, the sun streaming in through the windows, casting a warm glow on the scene. It's a connection to the past, a way to honor and preserve culinary traditions. With a little practice, you can recreate these flavors at home. It's about embracing the process, enjoying the act of cooking, and taking pride in the dishes you create. From selecting the best ingredients to mastering the techniques, making authentic Italian pasta is a rewarding experience that brings a taste of Italy to your kitchen. Let the aroma of simmering tomatoes and garlic transport you. The sizzle of garlic in olive oil, the bubbling of a rich tomato sauce. These are the sounds and smells that define Italian cooking. They evoke a sense of comfort and anticipation, a promise of the delicious meal to come. Imagine the satisfaction of rolling out your own fresh pasta dough. The tactile experience of kneading the dough, feeling it transform under your hands, is incredibly fulfilling. It's a labor of love that results in pasta with a texture and flavor that store-bought versions simply can't match. Join me on this culinary journey as we unlock the secrets to mastering authentic Italian pasta dishes. Together, we'll explore the techniques, ingredients, and traditions that make Italian pasta so special. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a beginner, there's always something new to learn and enjoy in the world of Italian cuisine. Let's embark on this delicious adventure and bring a piece of Italy into our homes. Stay tuned for more exciting pasta recipes and tips. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious content. Your support helps us bring you the best of Italian cuisine right to your kitchen. Buon appetito! Creating authentic Italian pasta dishes starts with a well-stocked pantry. High-quality olive oil is essential. Look for extra virgin olive oil with a robust flavor. San Marzano tomatoes, grown in the volcanic soil near Naples, are a must for sauces. Their sweetness and low acidity are unmatched. Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, aged for months, adds a nutty, salty depth to your dishes. Finally, invest in good quality pasta. Look for brands made with durum wheat semolina for that perfect al dente texture. With these key ingredients, you're well on your way to creating magic in your kitchen. Carbonara, a classic Roman dish, is surprisingly simple to make with the right technique. Start by cooking guanciale, cured pork jowl, until crispy. Meanwhile, whisk eggs, grated pecorino romano cheese, and black pepper. Cook your pasta, preferably spaghetti or rigatoni, until al dente. Remove the pasta from the water, reserving some pasta water. Quickly combine the pasta with the guanciale and egg mixture, off the heat. The heat from the pasta will cook the eggs gently, creating a creamy sauce. Add a splash of pasta water if needed. Serve immediately with a generous grating of pecorino romano. Buon appetito! Cacio e pepe, meaning cheese and pepper, is a testament to the beauty of simplicity in Italian cuisine. Toast black peppercorns in a dry pan until fragrant. Cook your pasta of choice, again reserving pasta water. While the pasta cooks, grate a generous amount of pecorino romano cheese. Combine the cooked pasta with the toasted peppercorns. Add a ladleful of hot pasta water to the pan. Vigorously stir in the pecorino romano. creating a creamy, emulsified sauce. The starch from the pasta water helps bind the sauce. Serve immediately with an extra sprinkle of black pepper. Section 5. The art of handmade ravioli. Making ravioli from scratch is a labor of love, but the results are well worth the effort. The process is both an art and a science, requiring patience, precision, and a touch of creativity. Begin by making a simple pasta dough with flour and eggs. The quality of your ingredients will greatly affect the final product, so choose the best you can find. Organic flour and farm-fresh eggs can make a noticeable difference. Knead the dough until smooth and elastic, then let it rest. This resting period allows the gluten to relax, making the dough easier to roll out later. It's a crucial step that shouldn't be rushed. While the dough rests, prepare your filling. This is where you can get creative. The filling is the heart of the ravioli, and there are endless possibilities. Classic choices include ricotta and spinach, butternut squash, or braised meat. Each filling brings its own unique flavor and texture to the dish. Ricotta and spinach offer a creamy, mild taste, while butternut squash provides a sweet, nutty flavor. Braised meat adds a rich, savory element. Roll out the dough thinly and cut it into squares. The thinner the dough, the more delicate the ravioli will be. Use a rolling pin or a pasta machine to achieve the desired thickness. Place a spoonful of filling in the center of each square. Be careful not to overfill, as this can cause the ravioli to burst during cooking. A small amount of filling goes a long way. Fold the dough over to form triangles or squares, pressing the edges to seal. Use a fork to crimp the edges, ensuring they are tightly sealed to prevent any filling from leaking out. Cook the ravioli in boiling water until they float to the surface. This usually takes just a few minutes. Be sure to stir gently to prevent them from sticking to the bottom of the pot. Serve with your favorite sauce. Marinara, Alfredo, or a simple butter and sage sauce are all excellent choices. The sauce should complement the filling without overpowering it. Enjoy your handmade ravioli, a true labor of love. Section 6. Tips and tricks for pasta perfection. Achieving perfect pasta at home is easier than you think. Always salt your pasta water generously. It should taste like the sea. Cook your pasta al dente, meaning it still has a slight bite to it. Save some pasta water. The starchy water helps to create a creamy sauce and bind the ingredients together. Don't overcook your sauce. Fresh ingredients shine when cooked quickly. Finally, be generous with the cheese. Parmigiano Reggiano or Pecorino Romano add a salty, nutty depth of flavor. With these tips, you'll be impressing your family and friends with your pasta prowess. Section 7. Wine pairings for your Italian feast. When it comes to enjoying an Italian feast, the right wine can elevate your meal to new heights. Let's explore some perfect pairings that will complement your dishes and enhance your dining experience. No Italian meal is complete without a glass of wine. The tradition of pairing wine with food is deeply rooted in Italian culture, and for good reason. The right wine can bring out the flavors of the food, creating a harmonious balance that delights the palate. For lighter pasta dishes like cacio e pepe, try a crisp Vermentino or Pinot Grigio. These wines are known for their refreshing acidity and light, fruity notes, which make them an excellent match for the simplicity and elegance of cacio e pepe. The acidity of these wines cuts through the richness of the cheese, providing a perfect counterbalance that enhances the overall flavor profile of the dish. The lightness of the wine also ensures that it doesn't overpower the delicate flavors of the pasta. For tomato-based sauces, choose a medium-bodied red like Chianti Classico or Barbera. These wines have a good balance of acidity and fruitiness, which complements the natural sweetness and acidity of the tomatoes. Their fruity notes complement the sweetness of the tomatoes, while their acidity helps to cut through the richness of the sauce. This creates a well-rounded and satisfying pairing that enhances the flavors of both the wine and the dish. If you're serving a heartier pasta dish with meat or cheese, opt for a bold red like Brunello di Montalcino or Aglianico. These wines are known for their robust tannins and complex flavors, which can stand up to the richness of the dish. Their tannins and complex flavors stand up to the richness of the dish, providing a perfect balance that enhances the overall dining experience. The bold flavors of the wine complement the hearty ingredients, creating a harmonious and satisfying pairing. And for a celebratory touch, a glass of Prosecco is always a good idea. This sparkling wine adds a festive element to any meal, with its light and bubbly character. It's perfect for toasting to good food, good wine, and good company. Sin Sin. Section 8. Setting the stage. Creating an Italian ambience. Transport yourself to Italy by creating a warm and inviting atmosphere for your pasta night. Set the table with a simple linen tablecloth and napkins. Use rustic ceramic plates and bowls to enhance the Italian feel. Light some candles and dim the lights to create a cozy ambience. Play some traditional Italian music in the background to set the mood. Encourage conversation and laughter around the table. Remember, Italian dining is all about enjoying good food and good company. Buon appetito! Section 9. The joy of homemade pasta. Making pasta from scratch is more than just cooking. It's an act of love and tradition. It's about connecting with generations past who have kneaded the same dough and shared these flavors with their loved ones. The aroma of freshly cooked pasta filling your kitchen is a sensory experience that evokes memories and creates new ones. So gather your loved ones, put on some music, and embark on the journey of making authentic Italian pasta at home. The joy and satisfaction you'll experience are well worth the effort. Buon appetito!